In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Canva. Let's jump in by opening a template or any design you're working on. You can start from a blank canvas or pick a ready-made template. Either one works. Once your design is open, look to the left sidebar and head to the text section. Click Add a heading to drop a new text box onto your page. This gives you a clean starting point for alignment. Click into that new text box and type your phrase. It can be your title, a caption, or any line you want to place precisely. With the text entered, go ahead and drag the text box to roughly where you want it. You'll notice pink guidelines appear as you move it. Those are Canva's smart guides, and they help you line things up quickly. Now let's look at two kinds of alignment you can control. The first is text alignment inside the text box. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar and click the alignment button. Each click cycles through left, center, and right. This affects how the characters sit within the box itself, which is perfect for choosing a clean centered headline or a left-aligned paragraph. Remember, this does not move the box on the page, only the text inside the box. Next, let's position the entire text box on the canvas. With the text box still selected, click Position in the top toolbar. A panel will open with quick alignment controls for the page. I'll click Left to snap the text box to the left edge. Then I'll click Middle to vertically center it between the top and bottom. I'll try Bottom to align it to the bottom edge, and Right to anchor it to the right side. Finally, I'll click Center to place it horizontally in the exact middle of the page. Use these options until you get the placement that feels balanced for your layout. A helpful tip: combine both methods. For example, set your text to center alignment inside the box, then use center and middle in the position panel to perfectly center the box on the page. If you're working with multiple objects, make sure only the text box you want is selected, so the position commands apply correctly. That's it. Type your text, choose how it aligns within the box, and then use the position panel to snap the box exactly where you want it. With these tools, you'll get clean, professional alignment every time.